Welcome to tutorial info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the brightness in your mini world CREATA game. To change the brightness in this game, you want to go into the settings icon here, then tap settings, and under basic, at the very bottom, you'll see brightness. This will override your phone's brightness setting, which means you can't really make the game brighter than as you would have on just maximum brightness itself. As you can see, changing the phone's brightness will cause it to again become the setting that is being used, but changing the brightness here will allow you to change the brightness while in this game without affecting other apps on your phone. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.